Okay, everyone, I wanted to give you a quick overview of what this course will look like once you log in. I'm going to go ahead and apologize for the background noise. I'm at Disney with my son for his 5th birthday, and unfortunately, I wanted to get this up before the class started, so apologies in advance. So when you come to the course, you'll be in home. There are going to be 3 modules here, so you can click on modules if you wanted to, and that has all of our modules. So the first one is getting started. You're going to find a couple of different things in the getting started module. First, course overview, then the syllabus, a little bit more about me. You're going to have to do a Flipgrid introduction, some statements and policies that are important, the technology tools and the support you will need to be able to access them appropriately, the privacy policies, and then a syllabus quiz that you'll have to take. And when you take the syllabus quiz, you're able to have the syllabus open, so don't worry about that. Now we're getting into our actual content. We have 2 modules, Module 1 and Module 2. You have lots of different assignments that you're going to do. You'll notice that some of these do have a due date on them and some of them do not. So the Padlet CER does not have a due date. So when you click on the Padlet CER, it tells you a little bit more about the assignment, how to access Padlet, there's a link there, how you will be assessed, and then a due date. So you can see down here, this is due on May 5th. So any assignment that doesn't have a due date, so BrainPop assignment, Nearpod assignment doesn't have those due dates. If you click on them, it will tell you how to access it, Nearpod, how you'll be assessed, the due date, and then this one has the link at the bottom. So all of that information can be found when you click on the actual links or the actual information about the whatever page you're clicking on. As always, if you have any questions, you can email me. Here are the quizzes that you'll have to take. There are 3. It tells you all of the due dates that you need, how many questions each one of them are. Assignments. Sorry, I'm going over a little back and forth. These says overdue, but don't worry about that. So these are the different assignments that you will be doing when you are completing the course. And they can also be found within the modules. So I hope that helps. I hope that's beneficial. And again, as always, if you need anything, please let me know.